Well, hi guys, welcome back to our video blog. We've got a bit of a special treat for you this weekend. We're out camping by the lake, as you can tell, and I have some great friends with me. We're going to enjoy our company for the weekend, fine food, fine wine. We might even shoot a duck or so, we don't know. We'll see how we go. But most importantly, we're out in the open and enjoying life. Okay guys, well, here we are again. Let me introduce to you my good friend Ross. Ross doesn't need any introductions. Actually, you would have met him back in one of our earlier videos. Ross is the king of the Central Market, Con's Fine Foods, and a great supporter of everything that we do. Roscoe, welcome to
Thank you. Good
nature.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
What is it that draws you out to these places?
This draws me out to these places.
And you're a fun guy.
I'm a fun guy.
Yeah, but not the stuff you eat.
Not the mushroom type. Yeah, that's how I'm a fun guy.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
I enjoy the peace. I enjoy nature. I enjoy connecting. It's good fun.
Well, we should have some fun this weekend, Ross. We've got some great food. You brought along some really, really nice rare wine. Would you say it's rare?
Yeah,
Yeah, rare wine. We've got Andrew Filkey coming down a little bit shortly. He's a renowned chef, and he'll be doing some cooking tomorrow night. And we might even shoot a duck, although we don't really care if we don't. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a great weekend.
Cheers.
Take one out.
That's nice. From the Market Bread Bar.
Brought to you by the Market Bread Bar, Adelaide Central Market.
This is what it's really all about, isn't it?
Correct. I think coming out here, it just relieves you temporarily of all your stress all the stuff that you leave behind, and you just come out here and enjoy nature for a day or two, and which prepares you for when you go back to all your stresses again.
Wow, look at the tranquil. Look at it. It's not a breath of air.
It's beautiful.
I don't know whether we're going to shoot any ducks or any more ducks.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, they decoyed so well there. Honestly, from nothing till 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it was all from 9 till 11.
They-
That's when we got out.
They did decoy well, didn't they?
I did. It's only in. There's another couple coming. You grab a couple, mate, and I'll grab a couple. We'll get a shot here. Come here. Oh, Daisy, you can stay there. You're probably in the shot anyway.
It looks great there. Look.
Well, it was a little bit of a quiet start, wasn't it, Tony, for a while? Nothing moved for hours, it seemed.
I think we were in position. We had deeks out. We were well covered. The little dinghy I brought, we had some camo, which we laid over it, and so we had a good spot. And from 7 till 9, as Andrew said, very quiet. From 9 till 11, things changed. We had some good flights of black duck coming through. The birds just seemed to be moving. The wind picked up a little bit, and before we knew it, we had 4 birds on the water, and the dog got 3 of them. We're very happy with that.
I thought the dog retrieved really well.
I think that first couple was always a little bit tricky when it's water that's deep and reeds that are hard to penetrate. So, and the water's colder at the moment. So it's hard work for a young dog that's learning. But I gave her a 6 out of 10 this morning, which might seem a bit harsh because she certainly got a couple of birds that I wouldn't have got. But, and the birds are in amazing condition. I'm just looking at the
Very plump.
size of them, really fat. They're on good food at the moment. I think, it's just a sign of how much food is in the lake system since the floods of 2022. The environment's looking good down here.
Starting to get a little colour here. Browning the wallaby meat.
So that's wallaby, is it?
Yeah, Tasmanian wallaby, the Tamar wallaby.
Yeah. And you're going to cook it how?
And we're going to simmer it in a lovely mild Indian korma curry with puffed wattle seed in it. And we'll serve the curry tonight with some freshly cooked roti bread on the frying pan, and also a nice tomato and mint raita.
Wow.
Very good. Look at that rich Indian korma curry sauce with puffed wattle seed in. So good. And that cooks down. You just let that simmer for an hour or so and get super tender.
Yep. Here we go. Look at this guy. Look at this guy go. Hey, Tony, watch this.
You've got to time me, man.
Oh, look at this.
Gotta
What is he
time it.
doing?
You're not allowed to touch it until it's finished, though.
You've got to
You
time
can't
me.
pick.
Okay.
You've got to time me.
some lovely wild caught whiting with Tony's salty air, salt, spice blend, and a bit of fresh chilli and a squeeze of lemon on barbecue toast.
Yum.
Send bloody Seychelles.
Yum.
Right,
That curry was magnificent last night.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Andy. That was fantastic.
you are welcome.
It was.
Just so everyone knows what was in it.
We had a combo of some Tasmanian wallaby and also some camel meat, actually.
Where do you get camel meat?
From a camel butcher, actually. Yeah.
Camel butcher.
Yeah, no, there's one company, I think it's Samex, they process camels from up north, they process them in Peterborough, I think it is. So there's only one butcher really that you can get camel meat from in Adelaide. Sorry, Marriott Meats. Marriott Meats.
Marriott Meats. Yeah.
Meats.
And that was a korma type curry, wasn't it?
Indian style korma curry.
Yep.
It's the exact dish we did with venison last chassis in that same sauce.
Mm.
Very dark.
Yeah.
The whole dish, you know.
Yeah.
Mm.
So,
little wattle seeds through it.
so a camel with one hump is a dromedary, and a camel with two humps is a bacterian.
All right.
What do you call a camel with no hump?
Humpless.
Humphrey.
Dear.
Hi, folks. I've got a million of them. my
Okay. Well, here we are, guys. It's the end of the weekend, and a few of us just don't want to leave. We've packed, but we're just enjoying the last few scenes of this beautiful spot. Just wanted to say thanks to the boys, thanks to Jono, thanks to Roscoe, Michael, Tony and Andy and Dennis. And if you like what you've seen this weekend and you want to come out and give it a shot, give us a call. I'd love to mentor you. Jono's available. We're all available to mentor you and get you through so you too can enjoy what we've just had this weekend. So did you want to say anything?
Yeah, I just like to make it clear that no ducks were harmed in the making of this video.
Some brain cells were. We have whiskey tasting sessions.
Yeah, look, it's all part of it, guys. Really, the duck hunting is incidental to the camaraderie around the campfire and the things that we do. So, as I said, if you enjoyed it and you want to be a part of it, get in touch and we'll show you the ropes and then get you to come out here and join us on one of these great weekends. So until next time, thanks. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you want to subscribe, do so. Give us a thumbs up, press the notification bell, and we'll see you again next time we're in the great outdoors. Thanks, guys.
Yasu.
See ya.
Ciao.